Welcome to Zoological World. Today, we will discuss about beagle-bearded vulture. The bristly black feathers beneath this bird's bill makes it look like it has a beard. These birds live in a habitat of mountains, forests, and rocky cliffs. They are scavengers with a diet of reptiles, birds, and mammals. The lifespan of this amazing bird in the wild is up to 40 years, but they can live longer in bird sanctuaries and zoos. Bearded vulture amazing facts. In terms of wingspan and body size, it's one of the largest vultures in the world. Its lifespan goes to 40 years and sometimes beyond. It's known as a bone-eating bird. Where to find a bearded vulture? Bearded vultures live in Europe, Asia, and Africa. They are found in Kenya and Lesotho, as well as in various sections of southern Africa. They are found in Spain and France, specifically in the Pyrenees Mountains. China and India are other places where this bird is found. These vultures live in a temperate climate. Many create their homes on inland cliffs and in a mountain habitat. So, hiking in the mountains is a great way to spot a vulture colony. The best time to see these vultures is from July to October during their breeding season. They are particularly active building nests and looking for mates. Bearded vulture appearance and behavior. A bearded vulture has black wings along with a mixture of cream and red feathers on its breast. Its head is cream/yellow, and it has a mask of black feathers, as well as black, bristly feathers beneath its bill. This bird's eyes are rimmed in red with a white eyeball and a black pupil. Its beak is large and curves down into a sharp point at the end. This beak design is what allows a bearded vulture to have a bone-eating diet. It uses its sharp talons to grab and hold onto live prey, such as a tortoise. It drops the tortoise from a great height in order to break its shell. When it comes to size, a bearded vulture has a body measuring 37 to 49 inches in length. It weighs 10 to 17 pounds with an incredible wingspan of 7.5 to 9 feet. Bearded vulture diet. Officially, bearded vultures are categorized as carnivores, but they are known for their bone-eating behavior. Their diet includes birds, reptiles, and mammals. What does the bearded vulture eat? Deer, cows, large birds, and tortoises are all a part of the diet of this animal. Bearded vultures are scavengers, so their main food source is animals that have been killed by other predators. This vulture uses its bill to break the bones of a dead animal in order to ingest them along with the marrow. Alternatively, pairs of bearded vultures feed dead animal meat to their chicks. Adult bearded vultures are known to eat live animals as well. For instance, they capture tortoises to eat them. They grab a tortoise in their talons and fly high above a meadow or pasture. The bird drops the tortoise so its shell cracks apart on the ground. The bearded vulture eats the tortoise's bones along with some of its meat. In addition, these birds drop large bones from high in the air in order to break them into smaller pieces. What eats bearded vultures? Humans are the main predators of adult bearded vultures. These birds are sometimes hunted, but for sport instead of for food. In many cases, they die by flying into power lines or eating poisonous meat put out by ranchers to kill other predators. The eggs and chicks of bearded vultures are vulnerable to predators, such as golden eagle-eyed ravens. But due to their nesting location high up on cliffsides, they're fairly well protected from predators. Furthermore, bearded vultures are known as fierce protectors of their territory and nest. They'll corner an intruding bird and viciously flap their wings until the intruder flies away in defeat. Remember, this vulture's wings are both large in size and powerful enough to injure or kill another bird.